Look around you. Most people are living in a state of constant waiting. They are waiting for the perfect job, the perfect partner, or the perfect moment to start. But here is a brutal truth from Professor Jordan Peterson. If you do not choose your torture, the world will choose it for you. What does that mean? It means life is fundamentally difficult. Suffering is guaranteed. But you have a choice. You can either suffer through the discipline of building a better life, or you can suffer through the regret of wasting your potential. Regret weighs tons, while discipline only weighs ounces. Which weight are you carrying today? In psychology, there is a constant battle between chaos and order. Chaos is the messy bedroom you haven't cleaned. Chaos is the unfinished book on your shelf. Chaos is the schedule you made but never followed. When your life is in chaos, your mind goes into a state of anxiety. Why? Because you know you are lying to yourself. Every time you hit the snooze button, every time you scroll on social media instead of working, you are telling your brain, "My future doesn't matter." You become a victim of your own habits. And the dangerous part? The world doesn't care about your excuses. The clock is ticking, and every wasted hour is a piece of your life you will never get back. So how do you change? Do you change by making a massive plan to conquer the world tomorrow? No. That is where most people fail. You change by fixing the things that are within your control. This is what Peterson famously calls the clean your room principle. Think about it. If you cannot even control the cleanliness of your own room, how can you control your emotions? How can you control a business? How can you manage a family? Your room is an extension of your mind. When you organize your immediate environment, you are practicing discipline in its purest form. You are telling the universe, I am ready to take responsibility for my space. Start small. Fix the things that are broken around you today. Another powerful concept from Peterson is, stand up straight with your shoulders back. This is not just about physical posture. It is an ideological stance. It means looking at the challenges of life directly in the eye and saying, I am strong enough to handle this. When you walk with your head down, you absorb the negativity of the world. But when you stand tall, your brain releases serotonin, the chemical of confidence. Life will throw storms at you. Financial problems, emotional heartbreaks, failures. But a strong individual doesn't ask for a lighter burden. They ask for broader shoulders. You are tougher than you think, but you will never know your true strength until you test your limits. Stop pretending that you are a helpless victim. Yes, bad things happen. Yes, the system can be unfair. But blaming society or your past will not fix your future. The moment you take 100% responsibility for your life is the moment you become free. Nobody is coming to rescue you. No government, no friend, no miracle. It is up to you. Ask yourself this critical question tonight. What is one thing I am doing that I know is bad for me, that I could stop doing right now? Find that thing and have the courage to eliminate it. Your potential is a terrible thing to waste. Don't let another year pass by just wishing for change. Stand up, clean your room, take responsibility, and build the life you are meant to live. If this lecture added value to your mindset and helped you practice your English listening skills, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to English Experience Academy for more powerful lectures that upgrade your language and your life. Comment below with one thing you are going to fix today. Stay disciplined.